What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can screen share your PowerPoint presentation on Google Meet. So first off, head over to Google Meet, or if you want to search through a link, just type in meet.google.com or just simply write Meet to any browser to open Google Meet. After that, you will be headed to this home page. Make sure you are signed in with your Google account. Now in this case, I'm just selecting new meeting and I'll select on start an instant meeting. This will show you to add a presentation and share your presentation during your meeting. So here, while the meeting has started, and here you can see the option of present now. Just simply click on it and you can just select this presentation and click on share. After that, you can see that I am sharing my PowerPoint presentation via Google Meet. And when you want to stop the sharing, just simply on your top, just click on stop sharing. So it will stop the sharing of your PowerPoint presentation. This is the most simplest and the easiest way and the by default way to present your presentation on Google Meet. That was all for the video. Thank you for watching.